Did you know that your personal information is a goldmine for cyber criminals? Every day, millions unknowingly expose their personally identifiable information, also known as PII, making them vulnerable to identity theft and financial fraud. Let's explore why PII is so valuable to bad actors. PII, when misused, can lead to devastating consequences. Imagine your identity being used for illegal activities or your bank account drained overnight. Understanding these risks is crucial to safeguarding your personal data. PII includes any data that can identify you, such as your name, address, and social security number. Each piece of information is critical to protect, as it can be exploited by cybercriminals. The consequences of PII breaches are severe, ranging from identity theft to financial loss. Protecting your PII is not just about privacy, it's about securing your future. Implement simple yet effective strategies to protect your personal information. Use encryption, create secure passwords, and stay informed about the latest cybersecurity practices to keep your data safe. Explore real-life examples of successful PII protection. Learn from these cases and apply the lessons to your own data security practices. Remember, prevention is better than cure. Arrakis Consulting offers expert guidance and training to help you protect your PII. Join our accredited Certified Data Protection Officer course to gain internationally recognized certification and enhance your cybersecurity skills. Contact us today at sales@arrakisconsulting.com or visit www.arrakisconsulting.com to start your journey towards data protection excellence. Together, let's secure your personal information and safeguard your future.